I welcome all of you on YourPedia Education. This video is I'll say introductory video for admission to various foreign universities through GATE. Many of you already know that there are four main universities, two in Singapore and then two universities in Europe, including RWTH and Technical University Munich. YourPedia has already uploaded videos on details about admission into this, but we were not having confirmation about whether they are considering admissions through GATE even now, or they have added some more admission criterias. Now it is confirmed that yes, they are considering GATE and they are admitting students through GATE. Today itself you will watch detailed interaction, my interaction with Samarth. Samarth is computer graduate and he has got admission into Technical University Munich. Watch that video in detail. He will tell you in detail about how he applied and how he could get into this university. TUM is a very prestigious university in Europe, and no other exam was required. English speaking certificate, that is sometime IELTS or TOEFL, even that they do not ask if you submit the proficiency certificate from your college. Samarth is going to tell you in detail about that. So yes, we have hope that now through GATE we can get admission in NTU, NUS, RWTH, TUM, and the good thing is not very high GATE score is required. Then what else is required? How can you impress them? And yes, there is an interview. Professors from these universities will interview you before you get admission into that. So this particular thing is a new domain for us. Especially many of you who are interested to pursue higher education abroad, so you can be hopeful, and YourPedia is continuously now exploring these options, that when we can apply, is it only in the summers or in the winter also we can get admission through this, and what are the other criterias. Certainly research proposal and the domain in which you want to work, that is very important criteria, which in India we call that SOP, SOR, and in these countries that is called cover letter. So I end it up here with this positive news that yes, these universities are considering the GATE score, and I am uploading one video today itself with the interaction with Samarth, who got this summers into Technical University Munich, and the moment he joins there we can get more information from him. So keep just watch that and keep applying in these kind of universities. Thank you.